Michael Cardamone once again with Alex Nemeth, the owner of Northeast Factory Direct. It's patio furniture time here in Northeast Ohio. We love it, but we love your deals more. Tell us about them.
So we have a ton of new stuff. Let's start here with some examples.
Okay.
We have 4 different groups here that are $9.95 each. You can get them right away. We'll start with this sectional here that includes a chair, or we have this 4-piece room group that includes a gliding love seat.
Ooh, a lot of people like that.
People love that. This, I think, is one of the best values that we have. This is a 7-piece dining room set. It's all cast aluminum, powder coated, and it's got 6 swivel chairs, including the cushions for $9.95.
Wow.
Unheard of. And of course, our brand new solid wood high top group as well.
And you know what? It's all different styles. So no matter what type of home you have, it can fit people's styles. But if we can move over to these 2 pieces, as soon as I walked in, my eyes been kind of on these all day. Talk about this, but more importantly, how much it would cost in one of those fancy stores.
So this is brand new, and this is all solid wood. It's made out of eucalyptus, which is a really dense wood, versus teak that you have to treat when it discolors over time. But as far as price, to give you an idea, a sofa like this at some of the fancy places can cost as much as $3,000. We're doing them for $699.
Wow. Now, moving over to this beautiful piece over here as well.
This is one of our most popular. This is a huge sectional that you can get from us for $16.99 that normally would cost you $3,000 to $4,000 somewhere else.
I mean, Alex, incredible deals, $9.95 each. I mean, obviously, you're saving people, not hundreds, but thousands. East side, west side, south side, northeastfactorydirect.com.